Who's that? Is little Jasper? Yes, is that Jasper? Is that little Jasper? Jasper! So called because when you came out underneath my duvet, like your mother, you looked exactly like a little orange carrot. Jasper!
Actually, before I put this back together, we need to cut some of these legs in the back three.
It's got a very, very distinctive looking face. It's a very, very unusual looking cat, and I am beginning to think they might be a girl. Go on, give him a feed, Verity. He's a growing lad, lady, ladette, Jasperette. Go on, Jasper, get her. Sort her out. Jasper! Yeah, his eyes are turned, starting to turn green now. He's lost the blue. And look at that, little miracle. That's Alba's brother. Lovely.